Okay, Bemo, look, look. I will draw some. I write some words. You read them, then I will draw for you. Okay? Okay, come. Look, here it is. Look, here it is. Come, Bemo, read this. Look, this is the place where we go. Okay, read this. Bus. Very good. Bus stop. Play. Bus stop. Play. Very good. So what's the full thing? No, the full thing. Bus stop. Play. Ground. Very good. It's the bus stop playground. Look, I'm going to draw it. Look. Look, here is the bus stop. See? Here's the bus. Wow. See, this is the playground where we have a bus. Here we have a bus stop nearby. See, here's the door. Here are the windows. Ah, here's a bus. Okay. And next to the bus stop, and here's the bus stop. See, here's a place for people to sit. Okay. Here's the information about the bus. And next to the bus stop, there is a playground. Okay. So here's a nice slide. Look, here's a ladder to go up a slide. Here's a ladder to go up the slide. And here's a nice slide. Wow, whoosh. Look, Bemo is going down the slide.
There isn't. No, Baba, there isn't a slide there.
It's just a slide. It's a slide of some sort. Okay, we're going to draw it. Look, Bemo is going down the slide. Whoosh. And what else is there? You have a bus. You have the bus stop. You have a slide there. And what other things you have?
It has the benches.
Yes, it's a bench for people to sit. It's a bench for all the parents of the children to sit. And you have some other toys there too. You have this climbing pole. Okay. And you have this jungle gym. Wow. Next to the jungle gym, there is this climbing steps. See, this odd jagged steps. Remember?
What's wrong with the mouse?
Wow. Look. And then there is a spiral.
What are you doing, Ravi?
There is a spiral thing on which to climb. Very good. It's a bus stop playground. Look, here is Baba. Here is Baba standing here, watching Bemo play on the slide. Very good. See, as a bus set up a stop. A play. Ground. Bus stop playground. It's a nice bus stop playground. Okay, now we draw something else. I will write another word. You read it. Then we
Baba,
will.
how long is this going to take? 15 minutes.
Yes, okay. Stop playground. Welcome. The video तीसरा का देखना काटा. Let's focus on the work. Now look. Here it is. Okay. Let's draw another place. Okay. Look. Bemo, look. Okay, read this. What? Ever you. Two is make the sound E. U-T. U-T. Very good. Mar. Very good. So what's the full word? No, U-T market. Very good. You want to draw the UT market? Okay, look. Near the UT market, there is a train bridge. See, there's a train bridge. Wow. There's a train on it. One carriage, two carriages. Three carriages. Look. There's a train. The windows. There's the door of the train. See? Wow. Look, here's the train. And then next to the train, below the train, and next to it, there are many shops.
Baba,
Okay.
the cookies cover my hair.
No,
So,
Jino.
you can stand up. We'll come
No,
behind
I
you.
don't.
बेटा थोड़ा सा कॉपरेट कर.
Slimy.
Okay, look. Here's best point. See? Best.
Why is it
Point.
called best point? Why best
I don't know.
point?
Best point is a shop where we can get many kind of daily goods or household requirements. Okay. Here is CK
Shop.
Market. Is it market or shop?
Shop.
Yeah,
It's
CK
shop.
Market is okay. Yeah, CK shop.
So you get a bunch of clothes, toothpaste,
So,
tissue paper. It's a
shop.
department store.
Yeah, there you go. CK shop. And many other things, okay? Very good. And look, here's a orange juice vending machine. Wow. See, you can put your money inside here. And here's the window where the juicing happens, okay? Here's the juicer. It's some kind of shape. And here are the oranges. Look, here are all the oranges. See, so many oranges. The oranges will fall into the juicer. And the juice will come out into a cup. And here's where you can get the cup of juice from. Look, here is Bemo. Bemo is waiting to get some orange juice. Wow. And who bought the oranges for Bemo?
Baba. What about me?
Baba. Yes, we'll,
Not to draw me.
yes, look.
What?
Look, here's Baba. Bemo is getting orange juice. And who's going to get oranges after Bemo?
Me.
Tututai. Very good. Wow, so many nice things. Look. See? So read this. What is this word? Yeah, ever. You. Ta e. Letter T makes the sound ta, and two e's make the sound e. Ta e. See, if it's only one e, it makes sound eh. Yeah, ever. Yo. But if there are two e's, it makes sound e. Ta e. Okay? It's not eh eh. Okay? It's not eh eh. It's just two e's make sound e. Ta e. T.
Yeah.
Yeah, ever. You. Ta e. T. Ma error. Ka eta. UT is the train station closest to our stop. Okay? So we live in UT. Wow, UT market. Very good. Let's do another one.
Jino. Say hello. Say hello.
There you go. No.
Hey, look. Demo. Pay attention. Look, I'm going to draw the train line. Okay? Look, it's a big train line. Here's a train line like this. Here's a north-south train line. Okay? It's like this. Okay? Here is one station. What is that? Yeah, UT. Okay, look. What is the station after UT? Look, I'm writing it.
Chua chu kang.
Okay, Memo, read this word. Memo, read this word. Read this word. Memo, look. Memo. इकडे बघा. Memo, इकडे बघा. हे काय? इकडे बघा. Okay, focus now. Don't like that. We'll fix it later. Memo.
We can do it without
Here
him.
you go. Look, if you read it, it's fine.
Mama, Baba, you only have 20% battery left.
Memo, read this word. What is this? Ka. Ra. Ka. Ra. A.
No.
Na. Ja. E. What is it?
Crunchy.
Kar and ja e. Kanji. Then is ya ever u t. UT. Okay, what is after UT?
Chua chu kang.
Look, here it is. Look, I'm writing it. CH mixture. Ch o a. Ch o a. Ch o a. Chua. CH is ch. Ch Chu. Choa, choa, chu, chu.
Come.
K-A-N-G. Come. Look, here is Chua Chu Kang. What's after Chua Chu Kang? It's B-U-K-E-T. What is the word? Say the sound of the word. B-U-K-E-T.
Bucket soon.
That's what you didn't say.
I didn't even
B-U-K-E-T.
say it. I said get soon.
Bucket. And read the next one. Okay. Okay, read the word. B. And. What's the sound? No. Say probably B at a bat. Oak. Ock. Bat. Ock. Buttock. B-U-K-E-T. Bucket. B at a oak. Buttock. Bucket buttock. Look. No wait, it's not bucket buttock. It's a mistake. Wait. It's another. Bucket. No, read the next one.
Gomba.
Itu nggak kamu beda? Ada kemudian dia nanti dari misal. Agar B-U-K-E-T. Bucket. G. A. No. B. No, look here. G. A. You gonna baga? No, then pay attention here. B. G. M. Gong. B. Ek. Gombak.
Bucket.
Bukit Gombak. Look, bukit means in Malay. Bukit means hill. So
Malaysia.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, look. Here's the next one. After Bukit Gombak is B-U-K-E-T. Bukit. B-A-T-O-K. What is it? Batok. Very good. B-A-T-Bat. Ok. Ok. Bat. Ok. Bukit Batok. Okay. What's the next one? What's the last one? Look, the last one is down here. Ch-U-R-O-N-G.
Which is where we are going to go today to go to Daiso to buy my pencil erasers.
What is this? J U J U R. Jur. What is it? Jur. Jaura jur. Onaga jur ong. Jurong. East. Jurong East. Look, this is the map of stations nearby us. Look, K-R-A-N-J-E, Kranji. Look here. K-R-A-N-J-E, Kranji. Yerevan. Let's not properly. Okay, look. Yerevan. Two E's make the sound E. If you have two E's in a row, it makes the sound E. Okay? Yerevan. Okay? See, K-R-A-N-J-E, Kranji, then U-T, then Ch-O-A, Choa. Ch-U. See? C-H makes the sound Ch. Ch-U, Chu. Ch-O-A, Ch-U, Chu. K-A-N-G, Kang. Chua Chu Kang. What's after Chua Chu Kang? Look. B-U-K-E-T. Bukit. Look, look. G-O-M-B-A-K. Gombak. Okay? Bukit Gombak. B-U-K-E-T. Bukit. B-A-T-O-K. Batok. Okay? Look, I'll show you some more information. What's after Kranji?
Marsiling.
Yes. Look. Let's write here. Ma-A-R-Ma. S-E-C. L-I-N-G. Ling. Marsiling. After Kranji is Marsiling. Ma-A-R-Ma. S-E-C. L-I-N-G. Ling. Marsiling. Marsiling. And what's after Marsiling? You don't say it. Okay, read it. Read the word.
Word.
Don't say it. Two goes on sound U. Wood.
He's not
L
here.
and S. Lands. Very good. You read it. Woodlands. See, Woodlands is Baba's office. Look, it is Baba's office.
It's also where my best friend lives.
Very good. Does she come from Look, here is Baba's office. Here is our house.
She said that the schools in Woodlands don't have like student care, I guess.
Very good. See, so every morning I walk from our house to UT. Look here, look, and then I ride the train. Look, here's the train. I ride on the train and go to Woodlands. Okay. From Woodlands, I take a bus. There's a bus. Okay. Here's a bus, baby. Look. So look at how Baba goes. Look, from our home.
Baba, what if someone evil watches this and then knows where we live and then knows where we work?
We live in UT, but UT is a big place. Okay, look. UT, look. I
So
walk
what
from our
if he
home.
checks every single house?
No, that'll take too long. Okay, look at this. Okay, look. Wait, look. Every day I get down
What
from
if he's here right
I
now?
get down from our building. Sorry. And I walk. I walk to UT station. Then I ride on a train. In the train, first I come to Kranji, Kranji. And I come to Marsiling. Marsiling. But I don't get up there. Then I go to Woodlands. See, wood, and the lands. I get off at Woodlands and I sit on this bus. On the bus I go like this to my office. I do some work. And in the evening I go the opposite
Baba, your
way.
phone is shaking.
No, you must be, your hand must
No,
be shaking.
I'm not. It's
Looks bad.
And in the evening I come back in the opposite way.
done because this phone won't stop shaking.
Okay, come. How many minutes has it been doing?
16, 17.
Okay, do one last one. Come. One last one. Okay, we'll do one last one.
Wait, do you know what are you drawing?
Yeah.
Memo.
Okay, let's do a Bemu drawing.
I got it wrong, Memo.
This one's too painful. What?
Wow. Okay, look. We'll draw something else. Look.
Look, it's a train.
Okay, look. Here's
Nice train lag.
a word we have not seen.
Big,
The
big.
Dutut naka was beta. Let memory did.
Oh, yeah, that's one.
Okay, Bemu, read this word. Come. Bemu, try reading this word. Read this word, Bemu. Look, Bemu, look. Ba-iga. What is it? Big. Sa-la-ida. What is it? Very good.
No.
Big. Sa-la-ida. Sa-la-ida.
Okay.
Slide. Okay, look. Letter I can make two sounds. Here it means sound E. Here it means sound I. You have to remember which one. Okay. Ba-iga big. Sa-la-ida. Slide. Then read this one. Fa-la-aya. Very good. Play. Ga-ra-onda. What is it?
Ground.
Ga-ra-o-gro-una-da-und. Ground. Big slide playground. Look, here's a big slide playground. I'm drawing the big slide. Look.
Oops.
Look at this. Look. You have to climb up a mountain like this on the steps. Here are the steps. Going up the mountain.
It's not a mountain,
Small
Baba.
area. Then you can walk. You can climb up some steps. And then here is the big slide coming all the way down the hill. It's not a small hill, it's a hillock. See? The word for a small hill is a hillock. It's quite small. Okay? You won't cap it, otherwise it will dry out. Cap the pen, cap the mountain. Okay? So you go up the steps, then you can go up the steps and go up this ladder and onto the big slide and then come down at high speed. But you can only get high speed if the slide is a little wet. If it's all dried up,
That's what we did when I went to that student care. You decided to put me into doing my holidays. No offense, it's actually quite fun. It's just that I didn't get a chance to play on the computer there. But we always watched Netflix. And we always emptied our water bottles
you're
and
doing
poured
work
it
also.
down. Yeah, we did our homework. They gave us practice papers to do.
Okay, very good. Let's finish this. Ba-iga big. Sa-la-ida-a. Slide. Ba-la-aya. Play. Ga-ra-o-unda. Ground. Big slide playground. Look. Here's Bemu coming down the big slide. Look. Whoosh. Who's waiting below? Look. Think below. Very good. Did you like going to the big slide playground, Bemo? Did you like going to the big slide playground?
No,
Go
I
there.
guess.
Maybe you can stop.
Okay. Good sir, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye bye.